troubleshooting power off issues on an LG phone. If your LG phone keeps turning itself off for no apparent reason, this is an issue called power off. To troubleshoot this issue, please use the following steps. If the phone will remain on long enough, check for a software update. Often an update to the software can resolve this issue. You can view the steps for checking for a software update in our software update video linked in the description. If there wasn't a software update, or if the update did not help, or if the phone will not let you check for an update, then we'll need to boot the phone into safe mode. Our safe mode video, linked in the description, will show you how. If safe mode resolves the issue, then begin uninstalling any apps that were installed or updated right before the power off issue began. To check for recently updated or installed apps, open the Google Play Store. Then tap on the profile picture at the top right. Tap on Manage Apps and Devices, then tap on Manage. The list is automatically sorted by most recently updated or installed, so start from the top down. Once the desired apps are uninstalled, restart the phone to reboot normally and test to see if the power off issue is resolved. If safe mode did not resolve the issue, then you will need to complete a factory data reset. To view steps for completing a factory data reset, please refer to our factory data reset video linked in the description. If none of these options resolves the power off issue, then please contact